Hey everybody, Ray here at Ray Auto Group, and I'm with Cody, and we're gonna help out a local Fox Lake family, and we're excited about it.
Cody from Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake. Just wanted to come to you guys and let you know that we do help out our community a lot out here in Fox Lake and the surrounding areas. Today we're here at Home Depot with Chris and Jessica, one of the families that we are helping out today. Jessica, if you could tell us a little about your guys.
Of course. Well, first we just want to say thank you. We are working with also both hands, and each hand represents something. The first hand is adoption, and we are so excited to be adding to our family via adoption. And these families are making adoption plans to get ahead of the foster care process and put their kids into forever homes, and we are excited to be part of that.
And the second hand of the both hands is we're helping a widow right here in Fox Lake that the community is coming around to support. As an elderly widow, her house has fallen into disrepair, and so that the funds that Ray has donated and both hands together are going to bring the community around her and improve her living situation. As a military family, we really understand the importance of community, and so we thank Ray Chevrolet and both hands for helping out both an adoption and a widow.
Hi, I'm Karen Knight. I'm a friend of Jess and Chris Matthews and a member of Crosspoint Church where they attend. I cannot believe how blessed I am to have received this wonderful gift of touching up my house.
This is just another way that we give back to our community.